Welcome to Racer, assembly instructions by Dash Toy, main body, handle, front wheel with fork, rear wheels, front mudguard, rear basket, seat with seat belt, front basket, hardware pack. Take the main body, insert axle pin into the wheel, hinder the movement of axle pin using circlip as shown. Insert axle into the rear side of the frame as shown. Cover axle pin with axle cap. Insert front mudguard into fork as shown. Insert fork into the front side of the frame as shown. Insert front basket into the fork as shown. Insert handle into the fork as shown and secure it by tightening the knob. Place the seat onto the frame and fix it by butterfly nut. Place the rear basket onto the rear side of the frame. Ready to racer cycle.